How to upload music to Spotify on iPhone in 2023. So basically in this video, I'll go ahead and show you guys how you can go ahead and upload the music that you have to Spotify. So with that being said, let's just go ahead and get right into the video. So essentially, you're just going to want to go ahead and click the gearbox icon from the homepage. Now from here, you're going to basically be in the settings page. Now from here, I want you guys to make your way down to local files. Now, once you go ahead and click on local files, you should actually get this option here that says show audio files from this device. Now, usually, if you actually haven't, messed with any of these features, you would usually have this feature toggled off. Now, I want you guys to actually toggle this on, and once you actually toggle it on, you guys will actually go ahead and get all the audio files that you have from your phone linked to your Spotify. So you will basically go ahead and get a playlist that is made for you from your local files solely. So you're probably wondering, how do I get the music from local files to Spotify? So basically, you're going to want to head over to your Files app on iPhone, and basically, hopefully I could find it here, but you're going to want to actually, you can see here, you're going to want to click on Files, and you're going to actually want to find a location where to store the audio files that you actually have. Now, automatically they will link to Spotify and they will actually appear right here. Now, it's very important that you have it in an MP3 file format, because if you don't actually have it, it won't actually link. So it's very important that you have it in that format in order to see your audio files appear. So with that being said, hopefully that was extremely helpful for you guys. And if you haven't already, leave a like on the video and subscribe to the channel if you found this helpful. But with that being said, I'll go ahead and see you guys next time.